In this video, we will learn how to use Sumsq function in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I'm going to use here the Sumsq function. Select the first amount 5, comma, then 3 and bracket close. You get here the 34. This 34 calculation I show you here how it's get it. So our first number is a 5. So is equal to 5 into 5 is 25. Our second number is 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So here I am get the total amount of both number is 34. That's it. Here you can understand now how it's calculate the 34 by using the Sumsq function. So without this calculation you get it within a second in by using this function in Excel. So again I am use here the Sumsq function. First number is 3, then comma, then comma and bracket close. Again you can use the so many number here. So I'm using this again 4 number, comma, then comma and select this bracket close. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.